Hello, my name is Mark. Welcome to my 2015 Tab Maxxis trailer. Many of my videos are categorized in things I'd call maintenance and some that I'd call upgrades. This one's kind of a little bit of both. This is a preventive maintenance upgrade. Has to do with the shower and a really common problem with the tub, the shower tub. Let's get in here real close. Now, this tub is made by a company called Styrofoam Plastics. And it is fairly thin plastic. And when Nucamp put this in here, the support underneath is not great. If you look, we'll take a look underneath in a minute here, but all it's got here for support where you stand is foam blocks, styrofoam blocks. And that's okay. It's a pretty dense styrofoam, but it's not in good contact with the tub. If you look here, I don't know if you can see this on camera, but if I press here, let me see if I can hold this camera really steady. You see how that presses down? And that's actually moving. You see that? What's happened is that you've got the bottom of the tub like this, and you've got that styrofoam block underneath it. And as you step on that tub, it flexes the styrofoam block. And over time, that block starts to compress, and it moves away from the tub. So the tub is no longer supported when you step on it. And the problem gets worse and worse and worse over time. So let me show you those blocks underneath. There's a little access point here. I'll get a flashlight down there and show you what we're talking about. But what I'm going to do here in this upgrade video, or preventive maintenance video, is I'm going to show you how to use spray foam to fill and support that gap, the entire tub, all the way around underneath there. With a heavy density spray foam, they'll come up and harden and really help support this. That there won't be, right now, my tub only has good contact right about here. The rest of this, I can feel, flexes. And so by putting in the spray foam in there, it will fill that gap and better distribute the weight of a heel or your foot when you step in here and prevent this from cracking in the future. So let's get underneath here and I'll show you the blocks that actually make this. Okay, so we're now looking at the passenger side storage area. And we get down and we look underneath the tub. I've got a flashlight down here and hopefully you can see this. This is the bottom of the tub. See those styrofoam blocks? They're just styrofoam. And right now, they're just free to move around. See that? That's because my tub has compressed them. So what we're going to do is we're going to fill that gap between the bottom of the tub and that first block all around in there, so that instead of the tub flexing so much, it'll get a lot better support by this density foam that we're going to spray in. So we're going to climb underneath and I'm going to show you. If you look here, that is the drain for the tub. And there's a trap there, just like underneath your sink down below here. And that trap is in a little black box. We're going to open that box so that we can get access to this underside of this tub. And we'll spray it with foam. So I'm going to go ahead and show you that. And let's get at it. Okay. Well, it's starting to snow out here today, so I'm gonna have to call this one quits. But real quick, let me show you where that box is that holds that trap. That's where we're gonna get access to the underside of that tub to spray in there. So this is the driver's side. Climb underneath. Hopefully there's enough light under here. Alrighty, what you're looking at right here, you move in. This is the box that holds that trap directly underneath the bathtub. So there's 5 screws, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then this comes off, and then we can get our spray tube up in there to get underneath the tub. So on the next video, we're gonna call it quits here because it's starting to snow. Winter's not over, folks. We're gonna go ahead and take this off, and in part 2, we'll show you how to fill that gap and fill that whole area and support the bottom of that tub with some high density spray foam. See you later. Take